Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the target. Save File and moving straight to Variable View so you can edit attributes. Once done, scan the list for the exact variable name. Make sure it matches any codebook or analysis plan. You will change either the variable label, values, type, or measurement level, so decide now which attribute needs altering. Click the cell for the attribute you want to edit so the field becomes active, and prepare to enter the new value carefully. Now you perform the core edits. Click the specific cell for label, type, or values and open the dialog when required. For coded responses, click Values, Edit or Add Mappings and press Add or Change to confirm. This preserves meaning in output. If you need text instead of numeric, change type and adjust width/decimals as needed. Once satisfied, move to the next variable or save a quick backup. This prevents accidental loss during the next steps. Finish by saving the file and validating changes with frequencies or descriptives to confirm labels and values appear correctly. If you changed underlying values, use transform recode into same variables or into different variables to apply changes reproducibly. Name the new variable clearly. Make sure to document edits in syntax or a log. If things go wrong, check that variable type matches the data and review missing values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.